So I'll be opening it up right for you to also see. Definitely you're gonna need your a micro SD card class 10, and this is just the adapter. This is how it looks inside. Here's the dash cam mirror. So it's transparent. You can see you know, the cars behind you, but when you touch the screen, that's when the digital aspect comes on. So you can now see if it's recording or not. Definitely, usually as soon as you put your SD card, it starts recording automatically as soon as when the engine turns on. This is where it gets the charge. This is the charge for it, and this goes to the back camera. And this is the rear cam and the long cable. The red part, I guess, that's where it goes to your reverse light, and the red cable, and that's the camera here. And at the back, you can reset it. Anything that has any technology always malfunctions somehow, so you would need this later. Who knows when? But so these are the straps, and this, you know, around your mirror. You have an USB cable. All right, let's go to the car and mount it. All right, just remember there's a film over it, so when you done installing, just remove that over both of them. Okay. You want to make sure that the camera is at least protruding on the other side, okay? The first one I'm going to do is a charge wire. Now that here, I just, you know, just turn it like that. There you go. Okay, and then just slide it through. All right, now we are under the driver's side area now. So I'll just look for the best place to hook it up. That's all. All right, well, that's where so I'm just gonna tuck it right here. There you go, just like so. Okay, so I can still press the, you know, this is still there. And now here we are. Okay, there it goes. Bam! Now onto the rear camera. You know, they give you a double-sided, you know, sticky thing plus nail, just in case if you want to really secure it. Here it also has that film over it, so you just actually peel it out when you're done, so it can stay outside and not get damaged. Then the rear camera goes in there. All right, and then this time around, I'm going to run it. You know what? Let me see. Now at the back, basically I'm just see if I can use just my hand, you know, see how easy it is. Some of it, some areas are so easy. And now there's a split right here that you know comes to all the way to the back. So I think what I did was just pry it open. Now I just pry this open, you know, just like that. Pry it open and pulled it a little bit and pushed it in. So if you wanted to, if you wanted to put it outside, you're gonna go like this and then straight out, and then, you know, just right here until you get to the plate. But this car has a backup camera already, so there's no need for me to be doing all that, you know. So I'm just gonna put this camera, you know, on right in the middle right here. I'm at the spot where, you know, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open this up right and just tuck all the excess in there. There you are. Okay, there you are. So it was so long, so I came out of here. I came out of there. Okay. So from straight in here, alright, I will be zip tying it to this. Zip tie it to this, and then through here. So it seems like this is not allowing me to. It's a little tight. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna turn it on. And it's already automatically recording. Okay. Alright, come closer. All the way. Okay. So this is him all the way, and he's already at the, touching that's his head. So let me see. Alright, that's me, you see, on the camera. If something hits the car, it begins to record right away. So I'm actually in the process of almost finishing it right now. I just attached it, and you will see here that you can still see the wire. You can actually see the wire. I was not able to tuck it in here because of that. I don't have that much room to tuck it in there. Just tuck it in down there, right on top of the steering column or whatever that is. And behind this, I'm not able to pry this open some more because it seems to be a lot harder, so I just left it alone. And then that's the charging port for it. So I've reached where I need to go, and I still have all this wire. Open up a channel back here and just stuck all of them in there. Just kind of place it.